So straight away we are looking at AAPL, Apple Inc. It's down 1.01% in this session. It is definitely one of the most active stocks right now. So as things stand, it is just getting support from its 10-minute moving average. Momentum is waning slightly. RSI is also waning, but still indicates buyers are very much in control of what's going on right now. Okay, there's always some news out there as it concerns Apple. Okay, let's get the volumes. So far we have 56.418 million shares crossing the tape so far and counting. Okay, so the next one will be AMD. AMD is down 1.97, just like Apple, getting support from its 10-minute moving average. Same thing as well, momentum waning, but not completely done. Still holding up there. And the RSI as well, indicating buyers are still very much in control, even though it's currently waning. Okay, let's see whether there's any news concerning AMD. Okay, there isn't any particular news concerning AMD. 36.229 million shares have crossed the tape so far. Okay, the loss is now 2.09%. So let's look at Ford. Ford is down 2.1%, just like AMD and Apple, getting support from its 10-minute moving average. Something is going wrong here. Something is, I wouldn't say going wrong, something is going on here. Something is going on here. So same thing as well, momentum waning, but not completely, it hasn't bottomed out. RSI as well, same thing. Buyers are still pretty much in control. There's no news. Is there any news? Okay, there are a couple of news out there. Let's see what it is. Okay, Ford drops plan to build EVs for export in India. Okay. $30.599 million shares have crossed the tape. Still very much the same, getting support from its 10-minute moving average. Still the same thing. Let's see what's going on with Rivian. Rivian is showing some strength. Let's see. Let's get the live data. RIVN. Rivian is up 23.69%. Okay. Unlike the other ones, it is strongly bullish as things stand right now. Momentum is quite poor. RSI is poor as well, but buyers are still very much in control, slightly in control. Let's see whether we can get any news. It says here, Rivian recalls 500 US pickups because airbags may not deactivate. Okay, some volatile news is here. Okay, this is broad market news, not concerning Rivian. So I think the one that concerns Rivian is this one. Okay, it's recalling about 500 2002 R1 electric pickup trucks in the United States because airbags may not deactivate when a child is in the front passenger seat. Rivian said it is not aware of any accidents or injuries related to the issue and replace the passenger seat in the recalled vehicles. Okay. $30.508 million shares have crossed the tape. Okay. It's waning now, has dropped below its 10 and 20-minute moving averages completely. I mean, my momentum is has bottomed out completely, and the RSI is equally waning as well. Okay, let's look at Roblox, RBLX. Roblox has gained 21.32. I think yesterday it gained some as well. Let's get the news. Okay, still downgrades, like yesterday as well. 31.563 million shares have crossed the tape. This is what's going on with the options. They're all gaining a lot of. You can see some huge gains on the calls, on the option speeds, or the call option speed as well. It's cooling off from this high of $30.55 now. Momentum is waning, but it's slightly improving. Okay, let's look at Coinbase. Coinbase is down 2.68%. Let's see whether we have any fresh news. No fresh news. Let's see what there's some here. There's one here. It says okay, we can't make out what concerns. Okay, that's not the one that we were supposed to click. Let's click on this one. Okay, Coinbase down 5.8% before the opening bell after plummeting 26% yesterday. The cryptocurrency exchange swung to a Q1 loss, triggering a downgrade to neutral from buy by Goldman Sachs and some price target cuts. So we know that already, and we can see that 27.039 million shares have crossed the tape. But it seems it's trying to regain some of those, recoup some of those losses. It's at the moment it's pretty much bullish at the moment, even though. So it's actually rising from the lows of $4.18 in this session. When the market opened, it dropped further, but it's now higher than what it was a few hours before the market opened. So let's see what's going on with AMC. AMC is up 13.6%. Let's get the news. $41.216 million shares have crossed the tape, and their options are also indicating, reflecting what's going on. We haven't found any specific news concerning AMC. Okay, let's look at RIDE. Lordstown is up 30.13%. Momentum is indicating the stock is overbought. RSI is also indicating the same as well. Do we have any news? We don't have. Okay, shares of Lordstown Motors surged over 23% in the trading before the bell, after the electric vehicle startup said it has closed the deal to sell its Ohio facility with Taiwanese contract manufacturer Foxconn. The EV industry is battling supply chain disruptions and rising material costs, which are hurting the ability to ramp up production to meet red-hot demand for electric vehicles in the United States amid surging fuel prices. The deal closure buys Lordstown Motors some much needed breathing room and gives production of its electric pickup a chance at success. Okay, so according to analyst at AAPL, Danny Hewson, building electric vehicles is an expensive business at the best of times. Right now, the supply crunch is making life incredibly difficult, and Lordstown Motors and its shareholders will be feeling a rather heady sense of relief today. Okay. Setting up manufacturing lines for electric vehicles is a capital-intensive process, and startups in the past have struggled to raise sufficient capital to mass-produce vehicles. Foxconn will now manufacture Lordstown Motors Endurance electric pickup truck, which will go into production in the third quarter of the year and be in the hands of customers in the fourth quarter. So that's some good news for Lordstown. Let's see. Volume is at 26.4 million shares. You can see the $1.5 calls for the 13th of May expiration has gained 440%. Let's see, PLTR. PLTR is up 4.32%, showing strength as well. Momentum is improving. So to RSI. Okay, there isn't any news. Volume so far is at 25.396 million shares. Okay, let's have a look and see what's going on with NVDA. NVDA is down 1.65%. It's showing strength as well. RSI is improving, or at least not indicating that sellers are in charge. Momentum is in trying to improve. Okay, volume is at 23.793 million shares. Okay, so see what you make of all of these stocks, and I will continue to update you. Thank you very much for watching this video.